How to connect VS Code to Roblox Studio. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your VS Code to Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open VS Code, and once you do so, you gotta click on the extension marketplace of the VS Code, and you need to basically search for Rojo. So simply type Rojo down and make sure that you install the official, that is Rojo Roblox Studio Sync. So simply install this plugin. And once you do so, you're going to click on File over here, and then you're going to click on New Window in order to open a new window so that it doesn't coincide with your existing project. Then you're going to click on File and you're going to click on Open Folder. So you're going to simply open the folder that you want and then click on New Folder in order to create a new folder. So once you do click on that, you're going to give your folder a name. So let's name it Test and then click on Select Folder. And then this folder will be imported in your VS Code. Once it's done, you're going to click on Yes, I trust the authors. And then you can simply click on this at the top and just type the symbol down and click on Rojo Open Menu. Here, you're going to click on Install Rojo Now and just wait for Rojo to get installed. Now it says successfully installed Rojo with Afterman. Once done, you're going to click on Create One Now over here, and then you're going to click on Install Roblox Studio plugin. Simply click on it and it says Roblox Studio plugin installed. After that, you're going to click on this default project JSON, and then it says Rojo server listening. Next, you'll be able to see this default project JSON over here. So you're going to click on the three dots over here, click on terminal, click on new terminal. So simply type down Rojo serve over here and press enter, and you'll be able to see Rojo server listening. Next, you're going to head over to Roblox Studio. Over here, you're going to click on plugins and then click on manage plugins. You can see I have Rojo installed before, but if you don't have that, you can click on this plus icon. You'll be taken over to Creator Store. You're going to search for Rojo over here and click on Rojo, and then you can simply install Rojo down and make sure to enable this plugin. And that was basically how you can connect VS Code to your Roblox Studio.